How to 1v1 friend in CS2. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you the quickest or the fastest way for you to play with your friend in a 1v1 mode. So this is actually doable and you can do both from console into PC. The very first thing that you want to have to make sure once you're currently on endgame home screen is you go into settings, and then from game settings make sure that the developer console is on yes or enabled. The next thing that you want to have to do is to access your developer console. Now, this is going to be a tricky process. Everything will be done on the console tab. Now, the first command is to choose the preferred map that you want. So, say, for example, Italy, DS2, or any map that you would like to go to play with your friend in a 1v1 mode. Next is once you're currently on that current map that you prefer, you just want to have to kick all the bots available and then to look for your IP address. If you're not able to find it, just simply type in the command, which is going to be status. Below status, you should be able to see your IP address. Copy the IP address and send it to your friend, and you're just going to have to access console once again by typing in join space followed by the IP address that you have. And that's it. That is how to 1v1 friend in CS2.